Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to host your HTML project or any project in a website for free. So let's say I have this project here. So make sure that your every file is in the same folder. Let's say you have an image, you have a CSS file, and they should be in the same folder, right? And then right click on the folder and go for the zip option, send to, then zip folder here, compressed zip folder, and here you can see we have a zip folder, right? So let me just delete this one. Okay, let me add the mouse cursor so that you can understand better. So now I will upload this file into the website. So let me just show you the website name is, so if you want to go to the website, just type here tiny.host, and you will see the first link here, tiny.host. So just go to this website, and here you just have to create an account, and then you have to click here upload file. So here you can see we have a different option here. So I will upload the zip file, so upload file. So here you can see I have this folder and this is the zip folder. So I will upload this one, double click on it. Yes, I will select this one. Okay, and now let's say I want to save it as test 996, and I will say publish. And now let me just copy the link here, and if I go to the incognito or private window, here you can see if I paste here, I can access my project, right? Here you can see this is in my local driver, but here you can see I am on live right now. So this is the way you can publish your project, or you can host your project online for free. So if this video is helpful for you, make sure to give a like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.